Hello everyone and welcome to this video in which we are going to see how to add DLSS 4.5 to any game. So some people are facing problems with the NVIDIA app. It doesn't update to the latest correctly. It has a lot of problems. So DLSS Swapper just released a new version. To get this version, go to your browser, search for DLSS Swapper. You can download from website, but I prefer the GitHub download. Go here to releases, and the latest update has 2 hours. Click here, download. Okay, it's so easy, just like installing any other app. Next, install, and here next, finish. Okay, now what we have to do is go to the Windows search bar, DLSS Swapper, run as administrator. It's so easy. Okay, here you have the games, those games that from your Steam or Epic Games official stores. If you have cracked version or something like that, you can just add the game. Okay, let's add Cyberpunk, for example. My game location, it's here. Go here, bin, and select this. So, one note, when you select manually, make sure that you select the location that DLSS files are in. Okay, select this. Let's give it a name. And add game. As you can see, now the DLSS Swapper has information that the game in the version 0.0. We have to swap it to the latest one. Download the latest one, swap. As you can see, starting download. Once it's finished, just click swap. Here you can change between presets M and presets L. If you don't know, the difference is that the preset M gives you slightly more performance and it's more compatible, but the preset L, it has like better quality. I'm not sure 100%, but this is what I know. Okay, here you can close. When we go to our game folder, go down, DLSS, here in the details, as you can see, it's in the version 4.5. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope that I helped you. Sorry for my bad English. Thank you for watching.